Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We got another opening from a yard sale find today. So let's check out what we got in this small snack. Ain't big as the other ones, but I got this at the same yard sale for $1, as you see there. So let's check it out, guys, and see what we got. So we got Hungry Hippos. I think this might be a from McDonald's or some Hasbro Gaming. So yeah, it's pretty cool, guys. A little gaming here. You can play Hungry Hippos. A little. Let's see who won that match. Oh, looks like Orange won. Pretty cool. You got a little face there on the side there. That's an awesome little game. So we got Pumbaa from the Lion King, a little bobblehead. That's pretty cool. A little, I think this is McDonald's, I bet you. Disney, yep, I bet you McDonald's. No, it doesn't say, it just says Disney, so I don't think it's McDonald's. Little, he can fix his head there. Little bobblehead. Pretty cool. We got a little figure here. I don't know what this is from. I think this is from like like those little kids shows. We got a panda here. He looks like he's mad. Like he's working like a superhero kind of thing. Pretty cool. His arms move. His head moves. Don't know what's it from. That's pretty cool. We have, I think, one of the dwarves from Sleepy Beauty. I don't know what he's supposed to do. I don't know what that is. Like a light or something? Twist. The hole there. I don't know. Don't know what that's from. What that's supposed to do. Okay, we have a Taz. Tasmanian Devil with the outfit like always an outfit. Oh, I have this Taz, but you don't have the outfit to him. He take his outfit off. But I think you can take his outfit off. I think you can. Let's just see if you can. Yep, you can take his outfit. Yeah, I have this Taz. Yeah, I have this Taz, but I didn't know he had a outfit to him, huh? He has just like a superhero, Taz, like his outfit there. Pretty cool. A heavy duty one too. So we have a little bitty lizard. That's pretty cool. We have a little mottled penguin. A little light glittery. Looks like it's a rocket launcher, but it's a candle, I think. Heavy duty one there too. Oh, we have a little Pokemon. A little Slorax, like the baby form of them. I'll show you guys move. Little Pokemon there. We have a little skunk. I don't know where she's from either. I think she's part of this group up here. We have like a little zombie. A zombie bride. It kind of looks like Annabelle in a way. I don't know who that's supposed to be. That's pretty cool. Little Triceratops. Heavy duty rubber one. We have a baby bottle. We have looks like a wing or a tooth or something. Going to connect it on something. We have Tails from Sonic the Hedgehog. And we have last piece over here. We have Patrick Starfish. Pretty heavy duty one too. It's like, it feels like it's like wood or something. I don't know exactly what it is from. Alright guys, so we have these little characters here. Oh, she don't want to stand up there. Pretty cool little characters. Tails don't want to stand. There we go. I'm gonna block Tails there. Pretty neat little characters, guys. Little super. I think these are the same group. I think these are all the same group. They get kind of like the lightning on their chest there. I think so. I think they might be from the same thing. So this is a little haul here, guys. A little Pokemon, a little mixed with Looney Tunes and stuff. Pretty nice little haul there. Oh, you guys have any of these, comment down below. And make sure to like button, that subscribe button, that bell for more notifications. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.